Hello, Italian discoverers. I'm excited that we have a new tool that we can use for the first time for this year's Maymester program. It allows us to annotate the readings so that we can respond to each other's comments. I've added a link to each of the readings in our Brightspace page. So if you go to Content and scroll down to the week's readings, this is week 3, you can see I've provided a direct link to those readings from Brightspace. So if I go to the week 1 readings and click on Gombrich, I'm taken directly to COVE Studio. If you're not logged in already, you'll be asked to log in. You need to sign in through purdue.edu. Okay? I'm already authenticated, so it should take me directly to the page, and you need to give it a second to load. The Gombrich reading has some images, so it takes a second to load. Just be patient. And once it appears, you can scroll down and begin annotating. All you need to do is mark some text, type your annotation here, and make sure that you save. It's going to be set to public, which means that your annotations will be shared with the rest of the class, and the rest of the class can respond to your annotations. You can also set it to private if you just want to annotate for yourself. It's very easy to add in images. So if I want an image of John Constable for some reason, I just need an image somewhere on the web. Wikipedia is particularly useful. It has a huge store of images. So for example, if I want this image, here it is. But when you first click on the image, you're given a file wrapper. You see how it says file here? So you got to click it again to get to the, in this case, PNG file. So I'm going to copy that URL, go back to my annotation and click this image icon and paste in the URL and save. You can also add comments. Just make sure that you save when you're done. It's also very easy to add in video. So if I want to add a video to this text here, I just need a URL at YouTube. So here's an example. This is an example of a YouTube video. I grabbed that URL, I'm going to copy that. And if I go back here, instead of the image icon, I'm going to click this film icon, paste it in. This is an example of a YouTube video. Again, make sure that you save after you've finished. In order to see all annotations, click this icon here on the top right, and it shows you all the annotations on the document. If you click on one of these annotations, it takes you directly to that spot in the text. And again, anybody can answer, can respond to an annotation, and people can then respond to the response. I figured that this is a good way for us to ask questions of each other, share our thoughts of the readings, and make this a communal exercise.